everything?
Yeah.
And one
So that makes it open for a lot of stuff.
I really like this one.
No.
No?
I'm seeing that chair. I'm seeing this chair. Look.
Yeah.
I watched the movie. You know my movie too?
So quick little farmer's market haul. I didn't get a whole lot, but this is also the candy shop too. So starting off with the berries, I got blackberries and a couple baskets of the strawberries. These are bundt cakes from a local bakery. I got lemon and chocolate chip. And then I also got this little guy. He got a little stressed out on the way home. And as you can see, he shed all of these little babies. So I have a whole bunch of little children of his to take care of. So I'm gonna put those in my succulent starter bin. You can see he has more hair hanging off. There's one right there. But yeah, he had kind of a rough ride home and got a little squished and everything kind of on the way there. So I'm hoping he perks up a little bit. I watered him. Yesterday was my watering day. I water about every 2 weeks usually for like succulents and things. So I watered this guy today because he can go like one extra day without being watered. And then I'll just pop his little babies in a little incubator thing and hopefully they get some roots. And then I'll decide where they're going from there. And then I got some fresh flowers. I love these. And then my son picked out, he wanted a sunflower, and then he picked out a good one because it's got like a little, hopefully a little bud there that'll open. And then from the candy shop, my daughter wanted a Harry Potter gummy. She got these for her birthday, so she got one of these. I let them each get one of these, just the Whirly Pops or the little, just plain sugar pops. They picked out a mixed bag of the Jelly Bellies. I let them just pick whatever flavors they wanted, and we put a little bit in there. They got about a pound. And then their dad really likes the sour belts, but he likes the apple. So this is like the regular apple, and this I believe is a strawberry apple. So that's it. This is the farmer's market haul. So here we have our summer bucket list. Some of the things have already been crossed off, but I'll go down in order so you can see. Summer bucket list, going to a carnival, going to a farmer's market, having a Lego night, which is where we will watch movies and build Legos. We have a Harry Potter movie and Lego set in mind, having a summer picnic, watching fireworks, having a treasure hunt, a family game night, a family spa day, a trip to the candy shop, a water balloon fight, watching a good sunset, a trip to the city, an outside movie, making s'mores, going for a bike ride, tie-dyeing some clothes, a trip to the museum, a trip to the lake, a trip to the water park, a trip to the arcade, swimming, fort building, a road trip, barbecuing, making homemade ice cream, a Masked Singer marathon, going camping, and going to the splash park. You can see some of these are already crossed off. You know, today we went to the splash park, and we went to the candy shop, and we went to the farmer's market. We've been stuck inside the house for quite a while, so we were really hoping to get out and get some things kind of done this summer. Some fun stuff, blow off a little steam. Some of the stuff is probably not going to be possible, but they're the things that we wanted to do, so we put them on the list. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it just wasn't meant to be. I hope you enjoyed our trip to the farmer's market and our trip to the candy shop and a sneak peek of our summer bucket list. And let me know what's on your summer bucket list in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.